Alright, let's look at the homework 1.5, problem number 6, part A. Alright, so we want to we want to come up with the equation of the graph resulting from reflecting the graph of y equals e to the x about the horizontal line y equals 6. Alright, so let's do that. So if you draw a picture of e to the x, which looks like this. Let's see, here's x-axis, y-axis, and the origin. Alright, the original graph looks like this. Alright, so it's an increasing exponential function. Alright, then so it goes through 1 here. Alright, then what we were doing is that we are reflecting about the line y equals 6. So it's going to be, let's say, I'm going to put 6 here. It doesn't look like it. So here's 6. And here is the line, horizontal line. Alright, so this is y equals 6. Alright, so if you reflect it, so the graph is going to look like this. The resulting graph is going to look, let's see, I'm going to do my best. It's going to look kind of like this. Alright, so first thing we would do is we would have to do a reflection, and let's see. So using the symmetry, so between 6 and 1, so this is 5, so you go up 5. So this is going to be 6 plus 5, so it's 11 right here. Right, so you would have to do a couple of transformations. As first one, right, we take this guy, y equals e to the x, and we're going to apply reflection about the x-axis. Right, so that's pretty easy. So the equation would be y equals negative e to the x, right? And that will give us this picture. So we have reflection, so it's going to look like this, right? So we got the right shape, but it seems like it's in a wrong location. And here, this is going to be negative 1 here. So you would have to go from, we have to push it up. We would have to move it up, shift it up by, let's see, from negative 1 to 11. So it's a 12 units, right? So we can do 2. We have to shift up by 12 units, right? So we can achieve that by negative e to the x, and you add 12 to it, right? All right, so that's the equation. Let's type it in. All right, so we have negative e to the x plus 12. All right, let's check. Submit for testing. Oops. All right, it came back and looks like we got this one correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.